If you're considering HostGator cloud hosting, there are 12 things you need to know before buying. We'll break down the key features, pros, and cons to help you decide if it's the right option for your website. By the end of this video, you'll know how HostGator stacks up against other hosting providers and if it truly offers the value it promises. First thing to note is HostGator's cloud hosting performance. Compared to traditional shared hosting, it's faster and more reliable. This is because cloud hosting uses multiple servers instead of just one, so if one server goes down, the others pick up the slack. While HostGator's cloud offering is solid, some competitors like SiteGround and A2 hosting still outperform it in speed tests. Next thing, scalability. HostGator Cloud. Hosting can easily handle traffic spikes because it allows you to upgrade your plan as your website grows. However, some competitors, like Bluehost and Kinsta, offer more customizable scaling options, especially if you need high-performance features. The third thing is pricing. HostGator offers an affordable entry-level plan, starting at around $4.95 per month, which is great for those on a budget. But keep in mind, renewal rates can jump significantly. Other hosting providers like InMotion Hosting offer similar pricing with fewer renewal rate surprises. The fourth thing to know is security. HostGator includes basic security features like free SSL certificates and DDoS protection. But if you need advanced security options, other providers like WP Engine offer more robust protections right out of the box. Next, let's talk about ease of use. HostGator provides an intuitive control panel and one-click WordPress installation. It's user-friendly, especially for beginners, but if you're looking for a super streamlined experience, companies like SiteGround and Flywheel offer even simpler management tools. The sixth thing to consider is uptime reliability. HostGator claims 99.9% uptime, which is industry standard. However, some competitors, like A2 Hosting and SiteGround, offer slightly higher uptime guarantees and have consistently delivered superior performance. Next, customer support. HostGator has 24/7 support via phone, live chat, and email, but response times can sometimes be slow. For a more responsive support experience, services like Kinsta are known for faster, more efficient customer service, though they come at a premium price. The eighth thing, backups. HostGator includes free backups on their cloud plans, but they only keep backups for 3 days. For websites that need longer backup retention, you might need a third-party solution or consider competitors like A2 Hosting, which offers more flexible backup options. The ninth thing is the included features. HostGator Cloud Hosting includes a free website builder, free email, and unmetered bandwidth, which makes it a great option for small businesses. However, if you need more advanced features like staging environments or developer tools, you might want to check out providers like Kinsta or WP Engine, which offer more developer-friendly options. Next, let's look at the control panel. HostGator uses a custom control panel, which is easier to navigate than cPanel for beginners. While this is great for newbies, some competitors still rely on cPanel, which offers more customization for advanced users. The 11th thing, email services. HostGator provides free email accounts with all plans, which is a nice perk. However, if you need business-grade email with more advanced features, you might want to explore alternatives like G Suite or Microsoft 365, as HostGator's email service isn't as feature-rich as those. Lastly, let's talk about value for money. HostGator Cloud Hosting is competitive in terms of price and performance, but it doesn't offer the premium features that top-tier providers like WP Engine or Flywheel provide. If you want to save on costs but still get decent performance, HostGator is a solid option. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive hosting experience, consider other providers that deliver better value at a slightly higher price. So, is HostGator Cloud Hosting a good option? Yes, but it's not the best for everyone. If you want a better option that delivers more features and performance, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.